Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for a delicate and beautifully flavored green tea, check out this one from Harney Sons. So Harney Sons is known for their really high quality tea, and this one is no different. If you like green tea, then you're absolutely going to love this blend. It is so delicious. It's very mild. It has a little bit of grassiness to it, and I find it very soothing and calming, and I love to drink it any time of day. I really like that these little packets are individually wrapped, so they're easy to take around with you on the go or when you're traveling. And the little individual sachets, you can see all of the loose leaves in there. It's beautiful, and you know that these are really nice quality. And I love too that it isn't loose leaf, so I can use this anywhere and it's not going to make a mess out of things. So once you steep it for a couple of minutes, you are ready to enjoy. It has such a beautiful flavor, and the aroma is absolutely incredible. You are going to absolutely love it. So I absolutely love this delicious sencha Japanese green tea, and I would definitely recommend it. And that's my point of view.